Think you know your car? Think again. Today, I'm sharing 5 car tips I really wish I knew earlier. Tips that can save you money, time, and even your safety. Whether you're a new driver or a lifelong car lover, you're about to learn a few things most people still don't know. Let's dive into it, starting with a mistake I used to make all the time. You've probably done this. The fuel light comes on, and you think, hey, I still have 20 or 30 miles left. But here's what most people don't realize. Driving on low fuel can actually damage your fuel pump over time. That pump sits inside your fuel tank and uses gasoline to keep cool. So when you're constantly running close to empty, you're slowly overheating it. And a burnout fuel pump? Not cheap to replace. Try to refill when you're at a quarter tank. It's not just better for the engine, it's way safer too. Oh, and by the way, that tiny little arrow next to your fuel icon? That points to the side your gas tank is on. It's such a simple thing, but it saved me from looking like a total noob at the gas station more than once. Here's another one. Warming up your car. Should you do it? Yes, but not for 5 or 10 minutes like people used to say. With older cars, long warm-ups made sense, but modern engines are fuel-injected and don't need to idle forever. The better method is to let it run for 30 seconds to a minute, then drive gently for the first few minutes. Cold oil doesn't lubricate well, so revving the engine right after starting it is the fastest way to wear it out. I wish someone told me that years ago. It's not about how long the car sits, it's about how you drive while it's still warming up. Let's talk about washing your car. Sounds simple, right? But I didn't realize I was actually damaging the paint every time I ran it through a cheap automatic car wash with those big spinning brushes. Those things trap dirt and slap it into your paint over and over again, leaving swirl marks that are super hard to fix. Even hand washing at home can do damage if you're not careful. I highly recommend the 2-bucket method. One for soapy water, one just to rinse your mitt. And always use microfiber towels. Proper washing not only keeps your car looking good, it protects the clear coat and helps preserve your resale value. And hey, it feels good driving a clean, glossy ride. Now here's a big one. Learning basic maintenance. I'm not saying you need to be a mechanic, but you should know how to check your oil, tire pressure, coolant, and brake fluid. Trust me. It saves you from getting scammed and helps you spot issues before they get worse. Like, did you know that your tires lose air pressure as temperatures drop? Low tire pressure can kill fuel economy and even lead to a blowout, and checking your oil level takes less than 60 seconds. Learning just a few of these basic checks has saved me hundreds of dollars and a lot of stress. The last one might sound obvious, but it's something so many people ignore. Weird car noises. If your car starts making a sound it's never made before, don't turn up the music and pretend it's fine. Clicking, grinding, squealing. Those are all warning signs. And the longer you wait, the worse and more expensive it gets. I always tell people, if your car's talking, listen. If you're not sure what the sound is, record it on your phone and show it to your mechanic. You'd be surprised how much you can prevent just by catching a problem early. So there you have it. 5 car tips I wish I knew earlier. They're simple, but they can make a massive difference in how your car performs and how much it costs you down the line. If you found even one of these helpful, hit that like button. It really helps out the channel. And if you love learning practical, real-world car advice without the fluff, subscribe to Wealth Wisdom. We've got way more coming, from hidden car features to money-saving tips you won't hear at the dealership. Thanks for watching, and drive safe.